Okay, guys, we want to continue on the topic of the credit. I'm very passionate about this, and I really want to help you guys. And I went from losing 22 properties in 2007, like having the worst credit in the world. You know, only was able to keep one credit card, my American Express. That's it. To having, again, 30 plus properties, around almost $500,000 in available credit, and my credit is perfect. Okay, so I wanna push this subject because I feel like I could really help. Okay, and let me just summarize it. So if the credit is gonna go down the toilet, you always try to keep at least one credit card open. So a lot of people that make the mistake of closing everything. No, the credit card is good standing, keep it open because that's gonna be the fertilizer. Think of every payment you make, every action you take in your credit as a fertilizer to your credit. Okay, so if there's no action, positive action, how's the negative going to be influenced to become positive? So very important that you keep at least a credit card or two, the more loyal credit cards, especially if you feel like those you could handle. Okay, but more importantly is persistency with inquiries, persistency with bad debt in your credit. You know, try to remove them. It does work. It's all about persistency. Whether you're right or not doesn't matter. You're gonna tackle it. The credit agencies have 30 days to respond. That's the trick. Okay, that's the secret. If they don't respond within 30 days, then they're forced to remove your inquiry or your claim. They're based on your claim. They're forced to remove the inquiry on your credit. Okay, so that's the secret right there. So the most persistent you are, the more chances you are, little by little, dropping some of those bad charges. In the meantime, give an opportunity to anybody that wants to give you an opportunity when it comes to credit. Doesn't matter whether you use the product or not. Use it. Let it make some interest on you. When you are utilizing this new credit in order to, whether it's secure or not secure, make sure you don't make the whole payment, pay off the credit card right away. That's a misconception. You want to see activity. So if you borrow something and pay it completely, then how good really of a rating you're going to be if you don't have a lot of new history, and then you're always paying off the credit cards very quick. So what's in it for creditors, right? So there's got to be something in it for them. So make sure that you pace yourself, buy stuff, maybe pay 50% of that if you want to, little by little, but do not overpay it. Do not just pay minimum payment. But I wanted to also mention that this is some of the great ways of getting your credit back up. Okay, thank you so much. This is a bonus video.